Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to easily fix when you try and open up Snapchat. You see this pop up, it says oops, Snapchat is a camera app. To continue, you need to allow camera access. So this might happen for multiple reasons. I'm going to cover all the fixes in this video. So first of all, go to the App Store and make sure that your Snapchat version is on the latest. So mine isn't, so I'll just tap on update and we'll just wait for this to finish. Okay, so once we're updated, let's have a look. So we'll just open it up. And okay, so we still have the same issue. So if you're still getting this, we're going to close out Snapchat. Then we're going to open up settings. We're going to scroll down until we see Snapchat. So it should be somewhere around the bottom. So you can see Snapchat, tap on that. And then you see camera, turn this one on. Now if the camera option is like blurred and you can't turn it on, that means you have restrictions, screen time. So just go to the screen time and make sure that you turn off screen time if you have this issue. So we'll just tap on turn off and then the issue should go away. If you go to Snapchat, you should be able to turn back on the camera. Now if you don't know the screen time password, well, sucks to be you. And let's have a look. Reopen up Snapchat and there you go, everything's fully working. So let's just enable contacts. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you leave a like. That really covers everything. If you still can't get this to work, it's probably just a bugged version of Snapchat, like the latest version not working. So what I advise you do is you wait for an update. Also, was there just a power cut? Anyway, see you guys later. Bye bye.